Light-emitting diode (LED) light therapy is growing in popularity in both esthetician offices and at home. Using varying LED wavelengths helps to treat acne, reduce inflammation, promote anti-aging effects, age spots, acne, wrinkles. In this video we are going to talk about LED light therapy, how it works and much more. So before we start our video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn the bell notifications on. How LED light therapy mask works. There are different frequencies, or wavelengths, used with LED light treatment. These include red and blue light frequencies, which don't contain ultraviolet rays and are readily absorbed into the skin. Red, or infrared, light is used for treating the epidermis, which is the outer layer of skin. When the light is applied to your skin, the epidermis absorbs it and then stimulates collagen proteins. More collagen means that your skin will look smoother and fuller, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Blue LED light therapy, on the other hand, targets the sebaceous glands, which are also called oil glands. They're located beneath your hair follicles. Sebaceous glands are necessary for lubricating your skin and hair so that it doesn't dry out. However, these glands can become overactive, leading to oily skin and acne. Blue LED light therapy can target these oil glands and make them less active. Procedure for LED light therapy. If you can't make it to a healthcare provider's office, you can still try LED light therapy at home. At-home devices come in the form of masks or wands that you apply to your face for several minutes at a time. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. You can go to the dermatologist or skincare provider to get these services. Some providers have you lie down directly under the lights, while others use LED light-infused wands directly over your skin. The choice often depends on the office, as well as the treatment area. Place the shield comfortably over your face. Press the power button located on the left side of the device to start your LED therapy session. Is it safe or not? Overall, the American Academy of Dermatology deems this procedure safe. Since LEDs don't contain UV rays, this is considered a safer form of light therapy that won't cause long-term damage to your skin. Side effects from LED light therapy are rare, but you should consult your doctor before you use. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.